How to fix system restore error 0x80042306 in Windows. Volume Shadow Copy Service, often abbreviated as VSS, is a crucial component for creating system restore points in Windows. If, for some reason, this service gets interrupted, stops, or encounters an error, it can hinder the process of creating restore points. By manually restarting the service, it refreshes its operation, potentially rectifying any minor glitches or issues that could cause errors. Accumulation of unnecessary files over time can clog your system and might interfere with the smooth functioning of various services. Performing a disk cleanup ensures that these unwanted files are removed, paving the way for services like VSS to operate without hiccups. There might be instances where the VSS components in your system are not properly registered, causing malfunctions. Re-registering these components can ensure they are correctly set up and can function effectively. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.